Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block those annoying Temo ads on your Android phone. So, let's get started. First, open the Temo app, tap your profile icon at the bottom. Then select Messages. You'll notice you get a bunch of pop ads and promo messages, free shipping, discounts, all that stuff. But if you're tired of these ads, here's how to block them. Go back to your home screen, open your phone settings, and search for private DNS. Tap on it, then choose Specify DNS. Now in the hostname field, type dns.adguard.com. Then hit Save. And that's it. Ads from Temo should now be blocked. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.